Hello, I'm going to explain today be going to and present continuous with a future meaning. Let's remember, going to needs the verb to be, but it can be am for singular, is for singular third person, and are for plural. Some of the uses plan or intention, which means for example, I'm going to the supermarket in the evening, which means my plan or my intention is going to the supermarket in the evening, right? The plan or intention can be negative, as we can see in this sentence. She isn't going to cook tonight. So she has no intention, she has no plan for cooking, right? In number two, we have a prediction based on evidence. If, for example, we can see that it's very cloudy, it's going to rain, we can say that. Or if we haven't studied for an exam, we can say, oh, I'm going to fail the exam. We can say the opposite. If we have been studying a lot, we can say, for sure, I'm going to pass the exam. Present continuous. Let's see some things to remember first before talking about the future notion. The structure am for singular, is singular, are plural, plus infinitive and ing. We always need the verb to be plus an infinitive ing. I have written some examples here. We have an affirmative sentence. I am writing now. She is writing now, and we are writing now. In negative, we can say, I'm not writing now. You aren't writing now. You also can say, you are not writing now if you don't make any contractions. In interrogative, we have here, are you writing now? Is she writing now? Let's compare and let's remember that in here for interrogations, you need the verb to be first and then the subject. The present continuous. We can use the present continuous with a future meaning to talk about specific plans in the near future. Near future. Let's pay attention in that concept. For example, my family is moving to London next summer. This is a specific plan in the near future. Are they coming to the party tonight? We use here the present continuous for future events. So in this image, the person or both persons are saying that they are not coming to the party, right? Here we say, Bart, we aren't flying to Paris this evening. So now you can see that Bart is crying. In this example, that's another specific plan with a near future meaning, which means that they were thinking to go to Paris this evening, but in the end, the intention on the plan is cancelled. I have added some time expressions used with a future meaning. It doesn't matter if we use be going to or present continuous. We can find these time expressions in both. In a few minutes, in an hour, later, next Sunday, next week, next month, next year, soon, this afternoon. tomorrow, and tonight. Well, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.